100 washi tape layout ideas. Rhombus layout. First, cover the pre-drawn rhombus with thin tape. Then overlay them with Floret Trilogy washi tape. Tear off the excess and the overlapping parts. Then use a craft knife to cut out the blank space in the middle. Use cotton to create a gradient effect along the edges of the irregular shape on the second page. On the left side of the first page, cover the edges of the journal with flower tape. Then tear off the excess. Add a character in the middle and draw some horizontal lines if you want to write. Place a character in the center of the second page. Surround it with thin tape to form a frame, then continue to cover the frame with flower tape. Finally, add text elements. Second, draw rhombus frames on both sides of the journal. Then fill the rhombus frames with fall flowers washi tape, tearing off the excess. On the right side of the journal, similarly fill the rhombus frames with flower tape. Then apply washi tape stickers inside the rhombuses and finally use black and white tape to fill the remaining frames. Tear off the excess and add characters and text elements. Have you mastered it?